Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video we're going to show you and discuss how do you use the VLOOKUP function. So how do you use VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP is an Excel function where you can vertically search for a matching value. And I'm going to show you right away how to do it. As you can see here, we have a situation. We have some students here, Allison, Frank, John, Kim and Larry, and they have a test score. And their test score has a matching grade, and the grades or the matching score with the grades are located in this table. So this is what we need to use VLOOKUP for. So we want to show dynamically, that's very important, dynamically the value or the grade based on the test score. So imagine here, if you have Allison of score 90, letter A should be appeared here. For Frank, below here should be letter C. So how to do this? First of all, let's type in VLOOKUP, open parentheses. And once you do that, you get some suggestions. Here you can see the Excel helper, but you can ignore this. We just click here, and once we do that, we get the formula builder. That's a very easy way to do it. Step 1. These are just 4 questions you need to answer. What is the lookup value? So you understand this is our test score, number 90. So this is the score that we need to search here in our test score to get the matching grade. Question number 2. Where can we find all the information regarding to the value that we need to compare with and the value we want to extract? So this is what we call a table array. This is our table array. We just select this entire table. Yes. And then question number 3. So where can or in which table or column do we extract the value? So if you understand 90 is the value or the test score we compare, the extraction data or the extracted value is in the grade column. So that's what we need. So in this case, column index number, this is number 1 and this is number 2. So we need the second column. As we click here on number 2, and then finally we have the range lookup. So is this a range lookup? In this case, yes. Range lookup means a value is ranging between, for example here, 90 and 95 equals letter A. So in this case, yes, we click here on number 1 and then we're done. Once we're done, we can close this and you can see it works here. You see now the grade A, and if we do 95, it maintains A, but if you do 96, it goes to A+. So that's exactly what we want. Now if we will drag this down, we will want to expand it to these formulas. So if we double click on it or drag down, and you can see an error appears. You might say, hey, what's going on here? Let's double click on this, and you can see here the red box here. This is our table array. You can see here these are the cells become red as well, indicating that this is the matching part. You can see here table array. So this is fine. However, because we didn't lock them into place, you can see now if you double click on this, now our red box is going down. It went 1 down, and if you go here, you can see it goes down almost to the bottom. What's going on? Well, if you drag these cells through this by double click or by just dragging it like this, it will add a row down. So every time the value here goes +1, +1, +1. That's fine. However, that's not what you want. So what we want to do is we want to freeze or lock the cells into place. How to do that? Very simple. Select the cell, and you can see here this is our formula in here, and we just click here on F4. If you press F4, you'll see that we have a $sign in the table array section. There you are. And one more time. F4, you can see both of these are now frozen and locked into place. So we freeze those cells. Once we did that, we can drag this and you can see that the cells are now consistent everywhere. As you can see, the red area maintains in the same place, doesn't change. And that's exactly how you do it. So if you have any questions regarding to how do you use VLOOKUP or any questions regarding to the Excel, just let me know. And if you want to learn more, check out the link below. In there we have a wonderful Excel course for free you can use to improve your Excel skills.